Hello friends, welcome back. In today's math lesson video, we are going to learn how to solve single digit multiplication and double digit multiplication. Are you ready for that? Let's get started. So we're going to start off with the single digit multiplication first. Alright friends, let's start off with some easy multiplication number first. 18 times 6. First step, we're gonna multiply this 6 with these two numbers one at a time. First, we're going to multiply this 6 with this 8. So 6 times 8 equals to 48. We take this 8, we put it over here. We have 4 in our hand. We can put this 4 on top of 1. We are done with this number. Next step, we're going to multiply this 6 with this 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 equals to 10. We do not have any more number to multiply with the 6. So we're just going to put down 10 over here. That is it, guys. 18 times 6 equals to 108. Alright, let's do another one. Let's take number 24 times 6. Remember the first step, guys? We're going to multiply this 6 with this 4. So 6 times 4 equals to 24. We take this 4, put it over here. We have 2 in our hand. You can put this 2 on top of the other 2. Next step, we're going to multiply this 6 with this 2. So 6 times 2 equals to 12 plus this 2. We're going to add these two numbers. 2 plus 2 equals to 4 and 1. 14. We do not have any more number to multiply, so we're going to put down 14 over here. That is it. 24 times 6 equals to 144. Now let's do a little higher number. Let's take 58 times 7. Remember the first step? We're going to multiply this 7 with this 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. Next step, we're going to take this 6, put it over here. We have 5 in our hand. You can put this 5 on top of that other 5. We are done with this 8. The reason why I'm crossing it off, so you don't get confused. Next step, we're going to multiply 7 and 5. So 7 times 5 equals to 35 plus the 5 we have in our hand. You're going to add that in 35. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So 40. We do not have any more number to multiply with 7. So we're just going to simply put down 40 over here. That is it. 58 times 7 equals to 406. Let's do another one before we move on to the double digit. Let's take number 96 times 2. Remember the first step, we're going to multiply 2 with the 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. We'll take this 2, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. You can put that 1 on top of the 9. We're done with this. Next step, we're going to multiply this 2 with this 9. So 2 times 9 equals to 18. Plus this 1. You're going to add that. 8 plus 1, 9, and this one, 19. We do not have any more number to multiply, so you're just going to put down 19 over here. That is it. 96 times 2 equal to 192. Hope that gives you an idea of how to do single digit multiplication. Now, let's move on to the double digit multiplications. Alright friends, let's do 14 times 12. It's pretty much the same process what we just learned in the previous problems. First, you're going to multiply with 2, these two numbers. And when we're done, we're going to repeat the process. We're going to multiply 1 with these same numbers. Alright, let's do it. So first, 2 times 4 equals to 8. 2 times 1 equals to 2. We are done with the 2. Now let's move on to the next step. We're going to multiply same numbers with the 1. Before we do that, you always remember put down a 0 here. Next step, you're going to multiply 1 with the 4, which is 4. Then 1 times 1 equals to 1. That is it, guys. You're going to add these numbers. 8 plus 0 equals to 8. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 1, nothing to add. So you're just going to drop the 1 down here. That is it. 14 times 12 equals to 168. Alright, now let's do a little bigger number. Let's take 24 times 16. Same thing. First, we're going to multiply these two numbers with the 6. Once we're done, we're going to repeat the process and multiply these two same numbers with number 1. Alright, so first, 6 times 4 equals to 24. We're going to take this 4, put it over here. We have 2 in our hand. You can put that 2 on top of that other 2. Next step, we're going to multiply this 6 with this 2. 6 times 2 is 12 plus this 2 we have in our hand. You're going to add these two numbers. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 right here, 14. We do not have any more number to multiply with the 6, so you're just going to put down 14 over here. We are done with the 6. I'm crossing it off so you don't get confused. We are also done with this 2 on the top because we already added it. Now, we're going to move on to number 1. Remember I mentioned you're always going to put down a 0 here. Next step, we're going to multiply this 1 with this 4. So 1 times 4 equals to 4. 1 times 2 equals to 2. That is it. You're going to add these numbers. We are also done with the 1. 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 24 times 16 equals to 384. Let's do another problem with a little higher number. Let's take 58 times 23. Remember the first step, we're going to multiply 3 with the 8. 3 times 8 equals to 24. We take this 4, put it over here. We have 2 in our hand. That 2 you can put it on top of the 5. Next step, you're going to multiply 3 with the 5. 3 times 5 equals to 15. Plus this 2 we have in our hand. You're going to add that in 15. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. And this one, 17. That is it. We do not have any more number to multiply with 3. So you're just going to put down 17 over here. We are done multiplying with 3 and adding this 2. I'm crossing it off so you don't get confused. Okay, guys? All right, let's move on to number 2. But remember, always put down your 0 before you start multiplying. Next step, we're going to multiply 2 times 8 equals to 16. We take this 6, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. You can put that 1 on top of the 5. Next step, we're going to multiply 2 with the 5. So 2 times 5 equals to 10 plus the 1 we have in our hand. You're going to add that in 10. 0 plus 1 equals to 1 and drop this 1 down. 11. We do not have any more number to multiply with 2. So we're going to put down this 11 over here. That is it. And you're going to add these numbers. 4, 0, 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. You put 3 over here and 1 go on the top. 1, 2 plus this 1. 3 and this 1. That is it. 58 times 23 equals to 1334. Let's do another problem. Let's take another higher number. Let's do 78 times 42. First step, let's multiply this 2 with this 8. 2 times 8 equals to 16. We take this 6, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. You can put that 1 on top of the 7. Next step, 2 times 7 equals to 14 plus this 1. You're going to add that in 14. 1 and 4 equals to plus 5 and this 1, 15. That is it. We do not have any number to multiply with 2. So you're going to put down this 15 over here. We are done with number 2 and adding this number 1. Next step, we're going to multiply with 4. But remember, you always put down a 0. So 4 times 8 equals to 32. We're going to take this 2, put it over here. We have 3 in our hand. You can put that on top of the 7. Next step, you're going to multiply 4 with the 7, which is 28, plus this 3. You're going to add that in 28. 8 plus 3 equals to 11, 1 and 1. 2 plus 1 equals to 3, 31. We do not have any more numbers to multiply. That is it. You're going to put down this 31 over here and add these numbers. 6 plus 0 equals to 6. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Nothing to add in 3, so 3 will come down. 78 times 42 equals to 3,276. That is it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.